What it is, what's up, it's your boy MGZ coming at y'all with another video. And in today's video, man, we got Grand Funk Railroad with Inside Looking Out 1969. So I assume that 1969 was when this song was released. But listen, I've never heard of Grand Funk Railroad. You know, this was requested in the comments. And you know, I'm gonna get more versatile. We react to rap, we react to country, we got K-pop. We got all sorts of music from all over the place, and I think the one genre we really been missing on this channel has been rock. So we reacted to White and Satin Sheets the other day, and I got a lot of requests for some older songs from back in the 1900s and whatnot. And like I said, I'm 20. I was born in 2003, right? Turned 21 this year, so I know a lot of music before my time, obviously, but rock I was never really I never really listened to. So I'm glad that I have supporters, a family here that's putting me on new music, and helping me expand into what music looked like a little bit before today's day, right? But I'm not gonna sit here and hold y'all too much longer. I feel like I did enough talking. Make sure you hit that sub button if you new. We're gonna hit 50,000 this year. Let's get into it. Grand Funk Railroad, Inside Looking Out 1969. See what these guys are about.
I'm sitting here lonely like a broken man. I serve my time doing the best I can. Walls and bars, they surround me, but I don't want no sympathy. No, baby, no.
See, and I talked about this when I reacted to the Moody Blues, right? This is real music. This is real, pure, authentic music at music's peak, right? I'm not going to sit here and defend. I think that music has evolved, just like a lot of things in today's day, right? I think that things are always evolving, sometimes for the better, sometimes for the worse. And I can't sit here and say that all music, before my time was better, but I also can't say that all music during my time is better, right? Right here, I'm watching three guys, three artists, talented. You have to learn how to play guitar. You have to learn how to play the drums, right? You have to learn to sing. Nowadays, if you look at, hip hop, I'd say more so that's the type of music I listen to, rap. You look at music like that, and I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. Rap is trash. Rap is garbage nowadays. They be singing about the most reckless, they glorifying all sorts of stuff about shooting each other, selling drugs, banging girls, all types of stuff, and there's no real substance to the music. It's always the same thing. And then you have the next rapper who comes up singing about the same stuff on the same beats. You give these guys a set of drums, you give these guys a guitar, they won't know what to do with it. All of this is computers and auto-tune. So I have so much respect for Grand Funk Railroad and all these other bands back in the day, man. So much respect for them. This is nice.
Ice cold water running through my veins, they try and drag me back to work again. Pain and blisters on my mind and hands. Work all day making up a nickel bags in a those are feeding me, driving me wild. I feel happy like a newborn child. Now when my time is up, you wait and see. These walls and bars won't keep that stuff from me. Love, that stuff from them. Love, 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 love. Love, 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 love. Love, 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 love. Hey, 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 yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh,
Try not to talk too much because this is already, like a 9-minute long song. So I pause like every minute and a half, 2 minutes or so, because I don't want to, be here, annoying you guys with all this talk and whatnot. I know a lot of y'all say you'd like to see my reactions and whatnot and hear me talk and whatnot, but also it's just like, so I think that what I'm taking away from the song so far is, I think it would be fair to say, looking past, I would say external solutions. You know what I mean? I think, he phrased, he feels like a broken man, trapped inside like some walls and like bars. You get the vision of like someone in prison, right? And typically when someone says, "Oh, I feel like I'm trapped. I feel like I'm in prison," it's like you're like you trapped in this confined space, and that confined space might be your mind, right? And being at a low or not knowing what you want to do in life. So I think that what I'm taking away from the song is, really looking within, looking deeper within you, and I guess finding happiness. If that makes sense, I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but like a happiness or finding your true self. Man, I can't lie to you. This is some real talent. This is some real talent, and you have to remember, bro. Like, I don't think these new age kids, this new generation, they don't give respect to none of the older generations or the people who were before us. They don't. You know how I couldn't even imagine me and a few of my friends getting together. I think I could definitely 100%. If I put in the time and the work, put together a band. But you have to understand, like, everything just has to be so perfect. The guitars, the drums, whatever else you got up there. The harmonicas, the xylophones, whatever you're using for a rock band, or But you even see bands aren't just rock. You know what I'm saying? You see the trumpets, the trombones, the tubas, all sorts of stuff. Anyways, you just have to be so orchestrated and everybody has to be on the same page to make the song work. So think about how many times, band members go over and over and over. I put it up 500 times, maybe even more, before they can actually perform it. And it's, you gotta put the guitar, the vocals, be on beat, all sorts of things, man. I got so much respect for these guys, man. Wow.
Sports Select. Now
heck
with
am I
better
getting
odds
ads
on
for?
Pro Line.
Getting groovy. This the other part too, like it's just like I'm so content with just listening to the music. It doesn't even have to be singing because it's so
I
entertaining.
need you right now, mama. I need you right now, baby. You're right by my side, honey. That love. Let me feel come on up and get down with me. I make you feel real good. Just watch and see.
What's he doing? Monica? I honestly feel like if I had to perform that long, non-stop, you know how much air you're using? I'd probably pass out.
Let me
Right there, Grand Funk Railroad with Inside Looking Out. Listen now, man. My voice is like, my voice is almost like gone, bro. I felt like I was out there rocking with them. You know what I mean? But I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction video. Keep letting me know what you guys want me to react to. I'm gonna try my best to get to them all. I know sometimes I might not, get to, the reactions that you guys want me to do. But if you keep requesting them, I'm gonna keep seeing them and I'm gonna keep trying to get on them. But I do see all the comments. I do see all the requests, and I try my best. So, just hang in there, and I'm going to get them out for y'all. But I hope everybody has a great rest of the day. I love y'all. Take care of yourselves. Your boy MGZ signing out. Y'all, peace.